Ferrari isn't just a car, it's a statement of power, perfection, and passion. But only a few Ferraris in the world reach the level of pure royalty. These machines aren't made for everyone. They're built for the 1% of the 1%. So today, we're diving into the top 5 most expensive and new Ferraris in the world, the ones that redefine what luxury truly means. Stay till the end because Ferrari number 1 isn't just rare, it's one of a kind. Number 5. Ferrari SF90XX Stradale. This costs around $850,000. Meet Ferrari's futuristic masterpiece, a hybrid monster combining electric precision with a twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an insane 1,016 horsepower. It rockets from 0-60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and looks like it came straight from the future with its razor-sharp LED lighting and carbon fiber detailing. The SF90XX isn't just fast, it's the beginning of Ferrari's next era. Number 4. Ferrari Daytona SP3. This costs around $2.3 million. A stunning tribute to Ferrari's 1960s race cars. The Daytona SP3 is where nostalgia meets next-gen technology, powered by a 6.5-liter V1 that screams at 9,500 RPM. It's one of the most powerful naturally aspirated Ferraris ever built. With only 599 units made, all sold before release, this car represents pure collector's gold. Number 3. Ferrari KC23. This costs around $3 million. This isn't just a Ferrari, it's art on wheels. The KC23 is a one-off design for a private collector, featuring a shape-shifting body that transforms between road and track modes. Hidden headlights, butterfly doors, and aerodynamic magic make it one of Ferrari's most futuristic designs ever. It's so exclusive, you'll likely never see one in your lifetime. Number 2. Ferrari Le Ferrari Aperta. This cost around $5.3 million. The open-top version of Ferrari's iconic hypercar, the Le Ferrari Aperta combines 950 horsepower, hybrid power, and legendary performance. Built to celebrate Ferrari's 70th anniversary, it's a mix of elegance and aggression that few cars on Earth can match. Owning one isn't just luxury, it's a status symbol reserved for Ferrari royalty. Number 1. Ferrari P80C. This costs around $6.8 million. And at number 1. The crown jewel of Ferrari exclusivity, the P80C, a single custom-built car made for one client only. With its ultra-low stance, track-focused design, and handcrafted carbon body, the P80C isn't just rare, it's irreplaceable. Every curve tells a story of passion, performance, and perfection. Seeing it in real life, almost impossible. And there it is, the point where passion meets perfection. The Ferrari P80C doesn't just break price records, it breaks the boundaries of design itself. This isn't a supercar, it's a masterpiece in motion. Each Ferrari on this list proves one thing. In a world full of fast cars, Ferrari still defines what it means to dream bigger, bolder, and faster. So what do these Ferraris truly represent? That luxury isn't about horsepower, it's about heritage. From the futuristic SF90XX to the rarest P80C, every model speaks to a different kind of driver. The collector, the dreamer, the perfectionist. In today's world of electric evolution, Ferrari reminds us that craftsmanship still defines value. So here's my question, if money was no object, which Ferrari would you choose? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories where speed meets art.